New artificial intelligence program called
ChatGPT.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
So heartbreaking.
As technology continues to advance, we are seeing more and more powerful robots and AI in our daily lives. Decades ago, robot and AI power seems limited, but now they can create videos and images based on text prompts. And robot can do a lot of stuff. The question is how automation and AI will impact global economy. So let's discuss about it. In the recent year, the advancement of AI is much faster than previous year. Now anyone can create amazing art image using Midjourney and DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 and Midjourney are tools that will help artists and illustrators to be more creative, but they can also create a complete artwork. You can see here, these all art images were created by Midjourney and DALL-E 2 only by text prompt. This video is created by Google AI without any artists. And this video is created by me within just a few seconds. And that AI shows us the real power of AI tool and their power to disrupt the industry.
ChatGPT. Maybe you've heard of it. If you haven't,
is a deep learning model that is designed
ChatGPT to write usable malware.
Listen to this. Very creepy. A new artificial intelligence tool is going viral for cranking out entire essays in a matter of seconds.
If you heard the ChatGPT, you probably know what it can do. If you don't know what ChatGPT can do, here are the few things it can do. It can explain complex topic in easiest way, solve tricky math problems step by step. It can also give you a relationship advice, which is a weird thing for AI, I think. It can write its own music. It help you to write better content. It help you to write faster code. I am a programmer. I used ChatGPT almost every day to write my code. It helped me to debug my code faster. Without ChatGPT, sometimes it took me 1 or 2 days to solve a problem, but now I can debug my code faster than before. So it makes me more productive. You can write a professional email within just a second. It doesn't matter what kind of email you want. You can write all kind of email. And these are the few things I tell you about ChatGPT, but it can do a whole lot of things. But how does this impact economy? Well, people believe in coming year, ChatGPT or other AI tools will vastly replace human jobs like copywriter, content writer, legal document writer, programmers, and customer service people. Artists may also be replaced by DALL-E 2. So as the AI continue to improve more and more, current job will be by AI automation. People will lose their job because of AI, but country economy will grow faster than before. The reason is fewer people can produce more value, so the company become more profitable, which directly improve country's GDP. But if fewer people can produce 90% of the value, then other people become jobless, which is a big problem in society or country. So let's discuss about Disney. If you see the Disney launched production-ready face re-aging for visual effect, which dramatically improved the quality of work and also efficiency. And this is one example of Disney AI tool. They are developing a lot of AI tools that makes visual artists work more productive. So in the future, fewer workers can create amazing visual effect in less time. So company needs fewer workers and expense will drop for the company. AI makes human job more productive and also more automated. So let's talk more about automation. Automation was happening since Industrial Revolution, but it was not until recently the pace of automation increased. In fact, there is now more jobs lost than were created by automation, which is not good. The automation revolution is already entering the garment industry. If you see the Bangladesh economy is dominated 85% by the garment industry. But now in Bangladesh, the garment industry is undergoing a technological revolution with the integration of automation technology such as robot and machine. This is allowing for faster and more efficient production process. While this may seem to pose a threat to human job, I said it because it was quite clear that the workers are going to replace by these machines quickly. The reason robots are much faster and more productive than human beings. And the effect already appears in the garment industry. The number of new jobs added by the garment industry rate has fallen by 60,000 a year. Today, robot can handle tasks that human doesn't do very well. If you see the logistic company, they are crazily using robot to manage a product much faster. For example, Amazon warehouse, where Amazon manages customers' orders. They massively use robots to do work much faster and more productively. If you see the human versus robot hiring in Amazon warehouse, you can clearly see that slowly robot hiring is increasing and human hiring is decreasing. So robots are used in almost every industry, from fashion to electronic to agriculture to healthcare. Almost every company is making move towards robot. They use robot to reduce their factory workforce. I want to tell you one fact, and the fact is latest evidence come from Chinese factory in a Dongguan city. The factory recently replaced 90% of its human workforce with the machines, and it's led to staggering 250% increase in productivity and significant 80% drop in defects. And that's not all. The report revealed that since 1990s, the cost of employer labor has raised by over 200%. Meanwhile, the cost of robot has dropped by over 50%. These compounding factors clearly says that human workers is going to lose their job. I think one workers can do a 50 workers work because that one person has AI and robot access. Because of this, he become more productive. The future of job is not about lack of work. Instead, one person will have abundant, high quality work and others will have a less and low quality work. Let me give you another example about Serve robot. Serve that navigates the sidewalk to deliver your favorite foods or drinks on demand. It's used a technology called LiDAR and the most advanced sensor of any automated delivery robot to create a virtual picture of the world in real time. It even has a heater inside to warm food and respect the sidewalker rule if it's ever gets stuck. A delivery agent sitting at home can remotely control the robot with the controller. So the new job would be sitting in a central location looking at the hundreds of robots on the screen and controlling the robots from a remote place. So the one person can control hundreds of robots at one time. So it just increases the human productivity and decrease the human workers' job, and many workers can lose their job. I don't have a lack of example. I want to give you another example of world's most advanced robot, which probably replace millions of the people. And that robot is called Tesla, which recently launched a full self-driving for anyone in North America who requested. So automation will impact the economy in many ways. Higher productivity will lead to a greater GDP as well as a faster economic growth. But also it will impact our global job market. AI seems as an engine of productivity and economic growth. It can also create a new products, service, markets, even industry, therefore boosting consumer demands and generating new revenue streams. However, AI may also have a highly disruptive effect on the economy and society. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and if you don't like this video, please suggest me how can I improve this video where I did a mistake, because it's very helpful for me. That's it for this video. I will bring a better content next time.